Deleted an app from your iPhone and trying to find it again? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to see a list of apps you've deleted from your iPhone. Now let's get started. To see a list of apps you've previously deleted from your iPhone, first open the App Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Apps. At the top, tap Not on this iPhone. Here you'll see a list of apps you've previously had on your iPhone but have since deleted from your device. If you'd like to re-download any of these apps, simply tap the cloud download icon to begin installing one. To remove an app from this list, swipe the app name to the left. Then tap Hide. After doing this, if you search for an app that was previously on the list, the cloud icon will no longer appear. That's all it takes to see apps you've deleted from your iPhone. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.